In this video, I'm going to show you the full guide to bet on NFL on Polymarket. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Polymarket is currently running a special offer. So if you sign up using the referral link I will leave in the description below, you will get a bonus on your first deposit if it's of at least $20. So I recommend you to deposit $21 or more, and this way you will get the bonus of free cash directly on your wallet. So firstly, if you don't have money on your Polymarket wallet yet, you can deposit using crypto or cash. You have a lot of different payment methods available, and then you just need to search for NFL right here. Now you will find a lot of different type of bets you can choose. For example, let's say we want to bet on the NFL champion on 2027. We can click right here and then select the team we think that will win this championship. For example, let's say we think this is the team that is going to win. We can click buy yes, and then this way we will be buying some type of shares. So select the amount of money you want to spend. For example, in this case, if I spend $5, I can win up to $50 in case I get this bet right. So after you buy, you can go to your portfolio and then open orders, and right here you will find the bet and you can cash out or redeem the money whenever you want, or you can also wait for the championship to end, so you will automatically redeem the money in case you got the bet right. So after that, you can just withdraw the money to your wallet by clicking right there and then selecting the coin you want to get. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.